Imagine you've just assembled your dream team. You've got the best developers, the sharpest analysts, and a rockstar designer. You expect magic, but instead, you get silence. Or worse, constant bickering. This isn't a failure of talent, it's a failure of development. Most project managers think great teams are born, but the truth is, they're built. To do that, you need to understand the Tuckman Model: forming, storming, norming, and performing. If you don't know where your team stands, you can't lead them to the finish line. I'm Margaret, and today on the pmStudent Insider, we're going to show you how to move your team from a group of strangers to a high-performance engine. Let's look at Chloe. She's 3 weeks into a new project, and her team has hit a wall. They've entered the storming phase. Consider this discussion that occurred during a team meeting between Maya and Mark. Maya, we can't use a monolith architecture. It's not scalable. We agreed on microservices. Mark, we didn't agree. You decided. A monolith is faster to deploy, and we have a 6-week deadline. But Maya, we don't have time for your perfect setup. Cole jumps in and says to Maya and Mark, okay, let's take a breath. Notice the tension. Mark and Maya aren't just arguing about code, they are fighting for influence. In the storming phase, boundaries are tested. If Chloe ignores this, the project will fracture. But Chloe knows that storming is actually a necessary step toward growth. Her job isn't to stop the conflict, but to navigate through it. So how does Chloe move them toward norming? She uses a social contract. This isn't a legal document, it's a set of team norms, an explicit agreement on how the team will behave and interact. When you start a team, don't assume everyone knows how to collaborate. You have to define it. Chloe gathers the team and asks 3 critical questions. First, how do we handle technical disagreements? Second, what are our expectations for communication response times? And third, how do we hold each other accountable? By defining these norms, you remove the personal from the professional. If the team agrees that we critique the idea, not the person, then Mark's disagreement becomes a search for the best solution, not an attack on Maya. A social contract creates a psychological safety net that allows the team to stop worrying about politics and start focusing on the work. To put these norms into practice and clear the air, Chloe facilitates a stop-start-continue retrospective. All right, let's be honest. What should we stop doing to work better? We should stop making architectural decisions in silos. I agree. And we should start having a 15-minute tech jam every Monday to align on the approach. Perfect. And what should we continue? The way we handled the UI feedback yesterday. It was fast and direct. This simple exercise gives the team a voice. It turns storming energy into norming action. By the end of the meeting, Mark and Maya aren't best friends yet, but they have a shared process. They've moved from me versus you to us versus the problem. Here is your takeaway for the week. Think of your team's relationship like a trust battery. Small wins, like a successful retrospective or following a team norm, charge the battery. Lack of transparency or unresolved conflict leaks the charge. Your job as a PM is to keep that battery full. Build the charge through transparency and clear norms. If this helped you, hit that like button and follow us for more. In the comments, let me know. What's one team norm you can't live without? I'm Margaret, and this is pmStudent Insider. We'll see you in the next episode, where we tackle the iron triangle and the art of balancing project constraints.